a description of the godly. Psalm 15. Lord, who can dwell in your tent? Who can live on your holy mountain? The one who lives blamelessly, practices righteousness, and acknowledges the truth in his heart, who does not slander with his tongue, who does not harm his friend or discredit his neighbor, who despises the one rejected by the Lord, but honor those who fear the Lord, who keeps his word whatever the cost, who does not lend his silver at interest, or take a bribe against the innocent. The one who does these things will never be shaken. Amen.